There are two types of notes, one is page notes and the other is widget notes. Click on the blank space on the page and select the Notes tab in the right panes to add page notes. Above are page notes, and below are widget notes. You can see the page overview page note input. Enter text into it and preview the prototype. You can see page note in the Notes pane of the prototype player. Click the gear button in the upper right corner to open the Notes Fields and Sets window, where we can customize the page fields. All fields can be customized. You can see the page overview field. Click the Add button to add a new field, and you can see that the newly added field appears on the note pane on the right. You can name the field. Enter text into the new field note. Open the window, select the field, and you can also delete it. To edit the field name, double-click the field to edit it.